Here's how to take photos using your Apple Watch. Now I have my iPhone and my Apple Watch. If I wanted to use that Apple Watch to be able to take photos, it's super easy to do so. On my Apple Watch, let me just unlock this real quick and enter in the passcode. After I've done that, I'm going to tap on the App Store. So scroll down and there's the App Store. Let's open it up and tap on the search button at the top left. Now, I'm going to use my iPhone to be able to search on here. And just search for camera, and then download and install Camera Remote. You'll be able to see it starts to install on my Apple Watch. And after it's done, I'll show you how it works. Tap on the Open button here. And you can see, just like that, it automatically opens up the camera on my iPhone. You can see it starts to connect between my Apple Watch and my iPhone camera. I can always switch this back and forth between the front-facing camera or the rear-facing camera. You can see either one works perfectly fine, and sometimes this does take a few seconds when it initially sets up. However, the nice thing is after you have set that up, all you need to do is tap on the where it says 3 seconds at the very bottom, and it'll start to count down and it'll take the photo on your iPhone. Again, if it's not working for whatever reason, you can always just open it up again and then hop back into that camera app. So again, just look for the camera app and it should start connecting. And if it doesn't connect after a bit, you might just need to restart those. So it's a little bit fidgety sometimes, but it usually works. Hope this helps. If you don't mind, take a second and leave your feedback down below. Let me know, was this helpful to you or did I miss something? I'm curious whenever anybody has feedback for me to make these videos a little bit better. Thanks, guys.